This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Cheryl Walker. This 1,881 square feet full brick home with open floor plan has an inviting foyer with coat closet. The living area has high sloped ceilings and is open to the breakfast bar, which surrounds an open kitchen with walk-in pantry. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. The primary bath has a large walk-in closet, double vanity, garden tub and separate shower. The spacious primary bedroom has French doors leading from the dining area, and the corner windows face onto the 10 by 12 covered porch and lovely backyard oasis. Situated on a corner lot, with a well-manicured lawn, side entry double gate to the backyard, an above-ground steel constructed pool, a 10 by 16 shed and area for a fire pit, all with stepping stones from the covered porch. New fencing was recently constructed and painted and easily accessed with stepping stones alongside of home. Lost Creek has storm sewers and underground utilities. For more information,